Have you ever wondered why some people stay broke, even after getting a raise, landing a new job, or starting a business? It's not always about how much money you make. In fact, for many people, the problem is much deeper. It comes down to habits. Small daily decisions that silently destroy your financial future. In this video, you're going to learn the 7 money habits that keep people poor, and most importantly, how to break them before they break you. Make sure you stay until the end, because habit number 7 is the most dangerous of all, and it's the one almost everyone falls into without realizing it. Let's get into it. Habit number 1. Spending more than you earn. It sounds obvious, but millions of people fall into this trap every single day. They get paid on Friday, and by Monday the money's already gone. They swipe the credit card like it's a magic wand, financing furniture, gadgets, takeout food, even vacations. And when the bill comes, they're shocked. They say things like, "I deserve this," or "I'll figure it out later." But here's the harsh truth. You cannot build wealth if you spend more than you make. It doesn't matter if you earn $30,000 or $300,000 a year. If your expenses are higher than your income, you're not moving forward. You're sinking. The fix? Pay yourself first. Automatically transfer 10 to 20% of your income into savings or investments the moment your paycheck hits. Then live on what's left. You might feel restricted at first, but eventually, your money will start working for you, not the other way around. Habit number 2. Avoiding budgets. For most people, the word budget feels like a punishment, like being grounded. But a budget isn't a cage, it's a map. A budget gives every dollar a job. It tells your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Wealthy people use budgets, not because they're broke, but because they respect money. They track, adjust, optimize. It's not about obsessing over pennies, it's about being intentional. Start simple. Write down what you make and what you spend. Separate needs from wants. Eliminate what doesn't serve you. Think of it like GPS for your money. Without it, you'll keep driving in circles. And if this is already giving you a mindset shift, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This channel exists to help you master your money, grow your mindset, and create a life of freedom. Don't miss what's coming next. Habit number 3. Relying on a single source of income. If your only income comes from your job, you're on thin ice. One pink slip, one recession, one emergency, and your entire financial life can collapse. The wealthy think differently. They build income stream, plural. One person might have a 9 to 5, plus a side hustle, plus dividend income, plus a small ebook or online course bringing in money while they sleep. You don't need to start with a business empire. Maybe it's driving Uber on weekends, selling on Etsy, renting out a spare room, investing small amounts in dividend stocks. Start small, grow slow, reinvest. That's the game. Habit number 4. Financing your lifestyle. Let me ask you this. Do you really need to finance a $2,200 phone when your current one works fine? Do you really need to buy now, pay later for sneakers or furniture? When you borrow money for things that lose value, you're not just spending money. You're digging a financial grave. It's how people get trapped in the debt cycle. They're paying interest on clothes, electronics, and trips they can't even remember. Here's a better plan. Save. Delay. Pay in full. If you want something, set a goal and save for it. The feeling of buying with your own money, no debt, no interest, is 10 times more satisfying. And more importantly, it builds financial muscle. Habit number 5. Ignoring investing. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make. They think saving is enough. But in today's world, saving alone won't get you ahead. Let me give you a simple example. If you save $10,000 and put it in a regular savings account at 1% interest, after 10 years, you'll have a little over $11,000. But if you invest that same $10,000 in an index fund, earning an average of 8% per year, you'll have over $21,000 in the same time frame. That's the power of compound interest. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes. Time is your greatest financial weapon, and every year you delay, you lose ground. You don't need to pick stocks. You don't need to be a finance expert. Just get in the game. Habit number 6. Surrounding yourself with the wrong people. Jim Rohn once said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." If your circle is always broke, negative, or careless with money, you'll pick up their habits. It's inevitable. Look around. Are your friends building wealth? Are they thinking long-term? Or are they living for the weekend, maxing out credit cards and laughing off debt like it's normal? If you want to elevate your life, you have to elevate your circle. Find people who challenge you, inspire you, and push you to grow. And hey, if you don't have people like that in your life right now, start with this channel. Subscribe and stay close, because the right voices will shape your future. Habit number 7, thinking short term. This is the silent killer. Poor people think in days. Rich people think in decades. When you think short term, you take shortcuts. You avoid discomfort. You pick instant pleasure over lasting progress. That's how people fall into debt. That's how they trade freedom for comfort. That's how they sabotage their future without even realizing it. But when you shift to long-term thinking, everything changes. You stop chasing shiny objects. You start building systems. You develop patience, and patience is one of the most profitable traits in the world. Instead of saying, "How can I make quick money this week?" you ask, "What can I build over the next 5 years that gives me freedom forever?" That one mindset shift separates the broke from the wealthy, the reactive from the intentional, the temporary from the timeless. Now here's the truth. You don't need to be born rich. You don't need a trust fund. You don't need perfect discipline. You just need to start replacing these habits one by one. Start with the one that hit you the hardest in this video. Break it, replace it, master it. Then move to the next. Because if you break even one of these 7 habits, your finances will improve. But if you break all 7, your life will never be the same. So let me ask you right now, which habit are you committing to break today? Let me know in the comments. And let's grow together as a community. And if this video gave you value, if it made you think differently, if you felt something shift inside you, take a second right now to subscribe, click the bell, and join the Wealth Expansion Club. We're building a tribe of people who want more from life. More freedom, more purpose, more abundance. This is Wealth Expansion Club, where your future is built by the habits you choose today.